So, hello everyone. We are at Electro-Tech Expo 2024 that is being held at Auto Cluster Exhibition Center in Pimpri Chinchwad. This is the third and the final day of the exhibition, and we are here at the stall of Leap. And we have right now with us the MD and CEO of the company, Mr. Sudhir Patil, sir. So let's talk to him and get to know about the company. So, hello, sir.
Hi.
First of all, thank you so much for your time so that you came here, you could brief the audience about the company and the products you are displaying. So,
Thank you for
please,
this opportunity.
yes, sir. So, please tell us about your company.
Yeah, so basically Leap, we are into convergent lighting controls and building automation company, and we are trying to solve a specific problem where we feel that in any smart building or smart infrastructure today, you have multiple systems. So for example, you have one system, and when I'm referring system, I'm talking about software and hardware taking care of your HVAC. Then you have another system taking care of your lighting, your yet another system taking care of your CCTVs, fire safety, right? And we feel that we believe less in more, right? In that case, we thought of bringing a system which can help all our customers to use a single system, single software, single hardware platform to cater all this system which exists in the building.
Okay. So as you mentioned, the basic concept of your products. So, what are the products that you are displaying here?
So specifically, as far as this show is concerned,
Yeah.
as we know, this is all about Smart Lighting India Expo.
Yeah.
So we are demonstrating here a very unique problem today this industry faces, and that is, if you observe any building or industrial facility today, these are definitely designed considering all green aspects, where you have a lot of possibility of having natural light in the facility. But unfortunately, today's lighting system does not really help us to take benefit of the available ambient or natural light, right? So we are here talking about a constant lux control as one of the interesting initiative or interesting strategy which can use, and you automatically change or modulate the intensity of artificial lights so that you only get the desired light by saving precious electrical energy, right? So what I mean is that, let's say you want a 300 lux, right, and you already have 200 lux available from natural sources, then your artificial lights only should give 100 lux. So we have a complete IoT based automated system which can sense available light and automatically reduce or increase the intensity as per the situation maybe.
So that's a very unique concept. That's a very unique product, and in fact, sustainability has been currently it's been in the topic. It's been the subject, sustainability. So, sir, how are you merging with the Make in India initiative? Are the products indigenous?
Absolutely, and thank you for asking this question, because there is a standard globally used in lighting called DALI, digitally addressable lighting interface, right? At the same time, there is another technology called Niagara software, which is globally used when it comes to any building automation and controls, and now they also started using for industrial IoT. Right, but we found a very unique problem. Wherever they are using Niagara software, it is predominantly used for HVAC, or for that matter, electrical systems monitoring or safety system monitoring. But as I said earlier, right, whenever there is a question of lighting, there is a different system involved. So what we did, we actually developed a software platform or a software driver for Niagara software along with the required hardware interfaces, so that anybody who is using Niagara platform can easily interoperate with the lights. So it's an Indian product, very well designed, manufactured here in India, and we are proud to say that we export this technology to US, Europe, and we are also doing a project in India here.
So, sir, as you mentioned that you are even exporting the products in foreign countries. So, how has been the response in the Indian market?
To be very frank, it was slow to start with, but now last 2 years we have seen, in fact, we have now more inquiries from a domestic market than a export market, which is good for us because we are able to contribute to the sustainability initiatives of our Indian customers. So we have customers like Tata Motors here in India who are taking a lead, and I'm sure like most of the other companies will follow, right? So we are very excited about India as a market. So along with export, of course, that's one of our initiative. That's one of our strategic focus. But we are equally focusing on domestic market, because I believe in India we all have now understood why sustainability is important. And sustainability is not just about a conversation; it's about action. And we are helping our customer to take action.
So, sir, looking forward, what are your plans for the company?
See, now I believe we have just started 3 years back, right, with this kind of a product line. Now, as we are going one step at a time, right, now we have a successful customers. Earlier, we used to explain them in a boardroom saying that these are the initiative, it can help you to reduce energy and then cost. Now we have actual paying customers who are actually getting benefited out of it, right? Now we would like to take a next level. Now we are actively working on certain new concepts like wireless technologies, how we can help our customers even to reduce the cables. Now wireless is definitely available in every aspect of our life, right? So that's one area we are actually working on.
So that's it for today. Sir, it was a pleasure having you here to know about the company, to know about the unique concept your company is providing. And we are definitely looking forward to meet you again so that we can give more insights to the audience about the company and the concept. Thank you once again, sir. Really appreciate it.
Thank you so much for this support.